Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker, C-3PO and Babu Frick 1:6 scale bust. Based on Star Wars Episode 9. Stands approximately 6-inch tall. Limited to only 1,500 pieces. Full color box. Numbered certificate of authenticity. LEGO Marvel Sanctum Sanctorum 76218 Modular Building Set, collectible Doctor Strange set for adults, includes 9 iconic minifigures, gift idea for fans of the Marvel Universe. A celebration of Doctor Strange, LEGO Marvel Sanctum Sanctorum 76218 is a Royal Selangor hand-finished Star Wars Collection Pewter limited edition Stormtrooper bust gift. Unique limited edition collectible one-of-kind design. A must-have for any Star Wars fan. A limited edition of 800 individually numbered pieces worldwide. Sleek or intricately detailed, our items fit seamlessly in classic or contemporary lifestyles. Cast in high-quality pewter. A 3-story, 360-degree, modular construction project for adult fans of the Marvel Universe. Iconic Marvel characters, the set includes Doctor Strange, Wong, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Ebony Maw, Master Mordo, Sinister Strange, Dead Strange and the Scarlet Witch minifigures. Royal Selangor hand-finished DC Collection Pewter limited edition Superman Action Comics #1 statue gift. Unique limited edition collectible one-of-kind design. Perfect gift for any DC fan. Limited edition release of 800. Each figurine is individually numbered. Superbly detailed exterior. Cast in high-quality pewter.